Okay guys, this is a 2002 Lexus SC430 Convertible. I'm going to show you how to remove the cabin air filter. So here's the glove box right here. We're going to open it just like this. And now you can see these little tabs over here. You can just push it down like that, or you can actually remove this by twisting it and popping it out. So there we go, it's down. Next, you're gonna look right here, and that's the cover for the cabin air filter. So to remove it, you just pull it off with this tab right here. Okay, so that's the cabin air filter right there. We can grab it, pull it out, and look at it, and yeah, this one is very dirty. You can blow these out with some compressed air, or you can just replace it, whatever you want to do. But when you put it back in, just be sure that this says up and it's pointing up that way. And then obviously you just put that up as well. I think you put it down like this and then pop the top part in like that. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.